going to share about corporate governance and performance of Papa's John. The problem faced by corporate governance of Papa's John is the image of Papa's John drop and also share down 15% in a week. Papa's John, which apply the core principle of good corporate governance, there are accountability, responsibility, transparency, and also fairness. Research of objective. To investigate and identify the internal factors of Papa's John factor dependent variable. To investigate and identify the external factor of Papa's John factor dependent variable. And lastly is to investigate how internal and external factors are affecting the dependent variable. Research of question. Is there any internal factor Papa's John factor dependent variable? Second, is there any external factor Papa's John factor dependent variable? And lastly is how an internal and external factor are affecting the dependent variable. Literature review. Operational risk is described as the risk of loss arising from influence or influence inner procedure, individual and structure, internal, external occurrence or reputation risk. Breakdown in inner check, the corporate governance are the most significant kind of operational risk. In addition, too many things corporate governance often high-level IT governance structure. Corporate governance set the basic of the establishment of long-term confidence between the business and its stakeholders. Methodology is a technique of collection data and research information. The aim of this study was to define the corporate governance and determine of Papa's John. The Social Science Statistic Package (SPSS) is the primary instrument in this study to obtain information. The primary tool used in this research to obtain information through the SPSS version 24. Population and sampling technique. In this statistic method, we choose to use random data. We also receive the 5 years annual report from Papa's John, which is from 2014 until 2018. The annual report together to investigate and identify the internal factor of the firm as well as to investigate and identify external factors. The analysis of data relies on the study potential, conditional, theoretical variable structure and two independent variables. There are internal and external. There are got multiple regression by equation. The first equation is ratio of asset plus current ratio plus quick ratio plus average collection period plus EBT to income plus operational ratio plus operational margin plus corporate government index. And second equation is gross domestic products plus inflation plus interest rates plus exchange rate plus standard deviation. And the third equation is combined equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, the SPSS performs in this research the analysis of linear regression and comparison between variables. The first finding method is descriptive statistic. Descriptive statistic represent of entire population or population sample. The return of asset index of Papa's John is 0.136700 and the standard deviation is 0.78315. The second analysis is correlation. According to correlation is the operating margin is very high positive related with ROA with the size 0.997. Besides, average collection period is very high negative correlation with the size negative 0.997 with ROA. Third analysis is ANOVA. The significant value of ANOVA is 0.00, which is more than the alpha value. The fourth analysis is model summary. The adjusted R square of model summary is 99.3%. It implies by using the internal and external variable which is operational margin. The variable used in this in the model able to explain 99.3% variance in ROA. Moreover, the remaining 0.7% of the adjusted R square is remain unknown that is unable to explain by both internal and external variable. The last analysis is coefficient. We find that operational margin recorded that highest value of 95%. Confidence interval for B by recorded 2.98. Meanwhile, the constant variable or dependent variable is RA, recorded the lowest value at negative 0.022. In this case, it illustrated that the negative relationship between operational margin and ratio of asset. Lastly, this research is done to achieve the study objective. From all the evidence provided in chapter 4, we know that the correlation table indicated that operating margin is a very high positive significant correlated to the RA with the value P. The ANOVA table shows that the significance of 0.00 it is indicated that model is not reliable. Moreover, the firm's internal and external factor has more impact towards the firm which will affect the ROA heavily. Furthermore, in the other hand, the firm specific factors do not impact much on the Papa's job. End of this research, I recommend action or reduce the company risk. Based on the average correlation finding and analyze as a very high negative significant relationship between ROA. So Papa's John should take primary action to reduce or avoid the company's risk. Papa's John should apply principle of corporate governance. Other than that, as prevention of hard losses, company can buy insurance policy to protect company from unexpected losses as if there is no return on investment and insurance policy will cover the losses. Thank you. Bye.